So, Julie, listen, I mean, this is a Fed that a lot of people will argue left rates too low. They eased for too low for too long. Then they tried to kind of slam on the brakes. There's a lot of political back and forth. How much are we listening to Jay Powell right now?
I think people are listening to Jay Powell. I think that people recognize that, at least directionally, these moves feel really important. And so he is at the helm of it. We have two directors who are trying out for Fed chair right now. Those dissents is really what those were. And I think looking forward, what is really critical is exactly this concept of neutral rate. The biggest challenge that we have really is that we've all gotten used to this idea that 0% interest rates are fine and normal and great. And they're not. They're just not realistic. And it's going to take time to unwind some of that expectation out of all markets, right? Not just corporate bonds, but also just the housing market. I think people are waiting for, their mortgage rates to get back down to 3%. And it's just I don't think that's happening, kids.
No, they're not. It's a great point, Julie. Guy Adami, this is what kind of annoys me about the Federal Reserve. I'm sorry. I'm getting all worked up. I'm going to be here for like a week and a half, too, so I got to take it easy. I got to pace myself. This is the Federal Reserve that kept rates too low for too long.
Yes, they did.
And now they've hurt the housing market. And I'm not being political here, but because everybody refied at 3%, no one's moving now because nobody, you can get what, 5.5%, 6%, I guess, if you're lucky, 6.5%.
Probably, yeah.
Right?
Right.
Do you have faith and confidence in this Fed?
No. I have no faith and confidence in any global central bank. I think I've said this for a while. I think of many villains of the 21st century, central bankers are going to be at the top of the list. So the short answer is no. With that said, I do think Jerome Powell has been doing a good job over the last 6 to 9 months. I think he sees what I think the market is seeing. And listen, you want to cut rates, knock yourself out. They cut rates in September, as you know.
Yep.
10-year yields were 3.6%. They proceeded to go up 100 basis points. So they control the front end. They don't control anything else.
They don't, no.